With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, when a rolling body enters onto a smooth horizontal surface, it will. So here, this is our horizontal surface, smooth horizontal surface, and we can say here, this is our, let's say, pure rolling body. So in this case, we can see here, the velocity of the center of mass is given here as V, and for pure rolling condition, we can see here, this is rotating about its center with angular velocity omega, such that the net relative velocity of this point of contact is 0. So we can see here, V becomes equal to R omega. Now since no friction is acting, so we can see here, no friction or decelerating force here is acting, only mg here, and normal forces are acting on this, let's say, sphere. So we can see here, these forces are not retarding in nature. So we can see here, these forces do not affect the velocity or angular velocity. Hence we can see here, both velocity as well as angular velocity of this rod, or we can see here, this, let's say, sphere will remain constant. It will not change. Both will remain constant. So this sphere will continue to roll here, continue. That is option number 1 is the correct answer. Hence we can say 1 is our answer. So we can say, when a rolling body enters a smooth horizontal surface, there will be no force of friction to retard the body or to apply torque on it to change its angular velocity. Hence the linear as well as the angular velocity of the body will remain constant and the body will continue rolling. So we can say here, option number 1, continue rolling, is the correct answer. Hence 1 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.